Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. I already mentioned it in my last video that the green count here gets much more likely, that we're going to drop deeper into the green box, since the last video I made when we dropped into that box for the first time, I did have two charts. I showed you two charts. I showed you one chart where we still had a chance to move up from here in a so-called 1-2 setup, but it was getting less likely because the retracement was less than or was stronger than ideal. And again, it shows you when coins really drop lower than the 78.6% fib level, which it did here, then these setups are often not working out anymore. But we had the alternative on the chart, which would be here, which is this, let me show you, wave 1 to the upside, and then here a WXY pattern, and in the Y wave an ABC. Now, this would still be a larger degree 1-2 setup. Okay, so in this larger degree 1-2 setup, we've got the possibility to find support still in the green box and move up from here in a third wave. Now, the move down looks impulsive, but this makes sense because it would be a C wave. It all comes down to where do we find support. I did post it earlier in the signals on the Telegram channel and Discord server for channel members. I think we were around $250 still, that I strongly expect a drop down to $220, $230. We are here now. Yeah, and I know a lot of people asked sort of yesterday, today for BNB updates. I can only encourage you, if you really want, you know, shorter time frame updates or more frequent updates, consider maybe the channel membership and the gold membership, where I do post signals and short-term market updates, because I did warn about this upcoming drop all the way down to 220, 230, and there we are. So the thing is now, we need to stop at $215. If we don't stop there, we are going to drop to around $100. Okay, that is what I would strongly expect, because the pattern is then broken. Yeah, why is it broken? Because if we look at the fib levels, you can see it here. The 78.6% fib level is at $215 pretty much. We drop below that, this 1-2 setup is probably not going to work out, and it will lose a lot of credibility. So this is still one of the charts that looks best. I believe strongly that the FTX collapse has destroyed it, the pattern, to a degree. Yeah, it wasn't good for the chart. And now obviously the rumors do their additional bit. So it would really need to stop soon, or it's probably not going to work out. And, you know, in terms of lower level wave count, it's tough, because I could really say that in this C wave, we had a wave 1, and it's tough. This was probably a leading diagonal in a wave 1, 2. Then we're then we're now in the wave 3. This was a 1 of 3. This was a 2 of 3. We're now in the 3 of 3. So to be honest, the way this is coming down, I don't have too much confidence we're gonna hold the $215 level. It did hold really, really well through this entire sort of bear market, and we had a really good chance that the June low was the bear market low. Could still happen, but obviously this is now seriously challenged. Seriously challenged in times like these. Aspects like oversold don't really matter too much, because this is an unnatural sell-off. This is really suffering today, probably due to the rumors that we've heard about Binance. And I mean, of course, there will be some kind of a counter reaction, but this is just catching the falling knife if you buy this now. For shorting, I believe, isn't probably now too short. It's probably now too late, because this is already dropped from my warning earlier, significantly, and it is now oversold. So at some point there will be a short-term reaction to the upside. We just need to see how strong will it be. Will it be enough to move up in the third wave? Do we get some kind of bullishness back into the market, or is it completely gone, right? And do we actually see prices of around $100? Because if you zoom out, you can see BNB did hold so well. So it wouldn't hurt BNB to drop down to that $100 level or so. It would still be long-term bullish, and we are far away from an 88.7% fib level that other coins have dropped below, for example. But we're now oversold on the daily. So yeah, significant drops here. and most of that probably fueled by the rumors here, because BNB is dropping more than many other coins. But we currently have a sell-off in the crypto market, and let's see how long that will last. But yeah, this doesn't seem to be finished yet. As I said, it needs to stop above 215, or we're morphing into a more bearish wave pattern. Okay, and that's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.